Now, what type of books are selling best during Q4? All books are gonna do well and better. But there are gonna be books that are gonna do even better than those, or even better than most. And the books that really take off are anything Christmas or holiday related. Duh. Anything related to kids, because they're super easy gifts. And coloring and activity books, because they're super easy giftables. Journals, planners, cookbooks, self-help, productivity books. Anything about the new year or the new me, those type of things. These are always going to be at the top of the sales chart for holiday selling. So if you're in those niches, pay extra attention. What can you do to maximize your profits and maximize sales for those particular books in your catalog? Those of you who are focused and have a highly giftable book, for example, if you're in a category for mom, for teachers, for students, or better yet, how can you take your book and switch your marketing during the holidays so that it's for moms or for wives, for teachers, right? How can you do that, right? Look, this might be a little too niche, but I got Alex's new $100 million money models. Say this was our nonfiction book. How could we shift the marketing on this book during the holidays? That'd be easy, right? So it'd be like, you could target like for your business owner's son or daughter. Boom, that's how you turn this into like a giftable book for your son or for your daughter. You just change the marketing that you're normally placing on it. And boom, it turns it into something super easy, giftable. You throw like a freaking Santa hat on it. You change up your A+, which we're gonna talk about a little later on. Damn, look, it's a gift, okay? Super easy.